Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our summer hydration trio.
We've curated 3 of our hydration heavy hitters into one moisture-drenched kit so you can keep your complexion quenched, refreshed, and effortlessly dewy all summer and beyond. 3 ways to weightlessly hydrate and strengthen skin with a quenching mist, replenishing serum, and restorative moisturizer. Powered by hyaluronic acid, plant stem cells, plus squalane and marine actives, this trio works together to restore, repair, and quench for a refreshed radiance. Apply HA Revive Hyaluronic Mist to freshly cleanse skin as a hydrating toner, then spritz throughout the day to replenish hydration. Apply 4 to 6 drops of HA Revive Hyaluronic Drops to soothe and strengthen skin. Follow with HA Revive Hyaluronic Hydrator for a surge of moisture. Pro tip, try putting your HA Revive Hyaluronic Mist in the fridge for an extra cooling spritz.
Perfectly curated for major moisture replenishment, this hyper hydrating kit will be your new go-to for a plumped, hydrated, dewy summer glow.